Okay. Insta360 Go Ultra Tiny Hands-Free Creator Bundle. Tapos ito yung basit na ma'am niya. Okay. So, nakita natin. Ito yung small. Lightweight and portable. Tama ma'am, portability design na rato eh. Tapos waterproof. Okay. So, ito po yung kasama. Okay. Okay. Ang price niya ma'am is 25,490. Pero itong Creator, magkano siya ma'am? So parang 28,990 versus 490, 25. So 3,500 ang difference ma'am. Pero ang kasama is in the box ng Creator content. 2-in-1 tripod, 28,990. Okay. Okay. So, ito yung kanyang difference. Okay.